All right, welcome back. It is May 13th. We're going to go look at the S&P 500. Just want to make sure you actually take the time to, at some point, you want to really, read the risk disclosure and make sure you understand that. I know that's less than thrilling, but it's important to understand that there is risk involved in trading futures, okay? So let's talk about what happened overnight. First of all, they came all the way down here to 4,029.25. We had the CP at 29.00. So had the low there within one tick, and then pretty nice rally from there. So what did we say for this morning? We said that we'd likely get a push up, and that if they came up into this area, there was a lot going on, and we'd likely see this that we saw. This is anyone who knows how to use prediction points at a very minimum knows that these four prediction points right here, this is a congestion zone. And it's not a surprise that as soon as we traded into it, look what happened. It started consolidating, it got choppy, and then we sold off. Where did we sell off to? We came right back here. I know that the prediction point is at 80.5, but in the pre-market video, I gave you from here and I set up to about 83. So somewhere in here, there was an opportunity to get long, and really nice push to a new all-time high. There were several trades along the way here, but I really like this move down to here, and pushed up to a new daily high. Sorry if I said all-time high, a new daily high, and then sold off a bit from there back down to just down to the KP, and then rallied back from there back up to the CP, and then opened on the CP for tomorrow's session. Okay, so this was all pretty predictable up here. Nothing really to do, no reason to really sort of go crazy. And we have some areas up here that they can still come back up to, but nothing really to go crazy over. So said if they broke 85, what happened right here? They did break above 85, came back, tested 85.5, and then really took off to the races from there. So then if we look at, this is just for me, not an area I'm going to do a whole lot in. And then we got this pullback here, really nice move up to here. And look, if you bought down here at 83 and you knew we were going for a new all-time high, it's a 40-point target up here, or a new daily high. It's a 40-point target. It's just that one trade can make your whole week. So the pro trader tip of the day is know where your target is. Don't get in a trade if you don't have a target. So every trade you need to know where's the target and where can you get in, and then by when will it get to the target, ideally. The third one is sort of a bonus one. And then you need to know where you're wrong. Where is the trade idea invalid? And you cut it loose, okay? So, just really straightforward here today. This was a little tricky. I didn't get this move up here this morning, but this was really nice on this pullback over here. I was really patient. I wanted to sell it a little bit higher over here. It didn't quite get there, so I didn't get short up here. I was, again, really patient. Didn't think there was a whole lot of reason to go crazy in here. It came down, came back up. When it came down here, okay, let's get in over here, ride this up to a new daily high, and then I took off. So I didn't get any of this, not that I likely would have been selling that anyway. I was done by that point. And so there you have that. Let's look at tomorrow. I haven't seen prediction points for tomorrow, so we're going to see what this looks like together. Great. Shocker that it doesn't really look any different. Okay, so let's just kind of bring this. It looks slightly different, right? There's all this going on in here now. I like this CP right there, though. It's interesting. Okay. Yeah, and this is also interesting. Yeah, so prediction points look really, really good for what we have here tomorrow. So a bit of work to get through from here. I mean, you just see there's not a, I'm not expecting a huge rip based on, in any of this range, based on what we're looking at for tomorrow. It just doesn't typically go that way. So we'll see how the overnight session goes, but can still get some decent pullback down to the CP. You know, we'll just kind of go from there. We'll take it as it comes along. So I'll be back here in the morning. We'll do the pre-market video, and hope everyone has a great night, and we'll see you back here in the morning.